All right, guys, welcome back to Block Party. We are doing the last run with the preamp and the amplifier. We're going to be moving over to some home theater receivers, so we don't really necessarily need this equipment here. I'm sad to say that the TFM 4.0 has developed a serious buzz on it. And so I'm glad that we've been able the last couple of days run it through some paces, put some music on it, whatever, connect a lot of different things to it. But it has this buzz, and I'm going to play it for you guys. So this amplifier we're going to put up for parts in our store for someone to get it serviced. I can get it serviced locally from Just Audio in Baltimore, but they have a 4-week period before they even diagnose it. And so I figured I'd try to get it sold. I'm okay with selling it for around $300 to $400 on auction. If it doesn't sell for that amount on auction, then I'll probably get it serviced. So with that being said, I'm just going to play something really quick so you guys can hear it. Before, it was clear, crystal clear. There was a slight hum in the background, but nothing major, nothing where I was like, man, like that's really going to interfere with my music. In fact, I didn't hear it at all when I had the music on. So here I've got the Yamaha C50 still banging out, great sound and stuff. And I had it connected to the Carver TFM 4.0. By the way, this is model number 67, and I still have the original box. So whoever gets this will get the original box and all the packaging and all that good stuff. There is no manual, but you will get the original box. So that's pretty cool. I thought it's pretty cool. Like serial number 67, like how many people can boast that type of serial number? So you can see it's not on yet. There's no lights here. And I'm going to show you what's going to happen here in just a second. Hopefully not listen to this on headphones. I'm going to go ahead and play. So there it is. That's the buzz. It's still going on, even though I had the power switched off. That's crazy. Yo, it just doesn't want to die. It just doesn't want to go down. That was wild. I don't know what's causing that. I've tried a lot of different things. I've tried different speakers. I tried a power line filter. I've tried different components, different speaker cables. I don't know. I just was trying to figure out what was going on. It kind of jumps between the two channels, right and left channels. So if anyone has any ideas on what happens here, as you can see, I've turned the power off, but it still has, this power is still on here. So there's got to be like some type of, there's some type of switching thing going on inside there that needs some help. And yeah, so I don't know enough about power amplifiers I don't know anything about power amplifiers. So I don't know enough about electronics to actually diagnose any of this stuff. So I'm just putting it out there. This is what I'm seeing. If you have experience with this stuff and you want to leave me a comment, great. You want to let me know something I could probably do on my end, or like quick fixes that I could do on my end, or something I could just check on my end. I'm all ears on it. But I wanted to for you guys to hear that, so that you don't buy this and you're going, hey, what about this? How come you never told me about this? Or you didn't tell me it was this kind of buzz, because there's different frequencies, like a 60 megahertz versus a 120 megahertz buzz. You know, it's a different pitch. So, you know, they mean different things. So that I've read enough about it to understand that there are different pitches of buzzes, and there's different things that could signify. It could be like the filter, it could be something else. So anyways, we're at 5 minutes. This is more than enough. I just wanted to show you guys that, and yeah, thanks for watching. Look, we are losing power there. There it is. And yep, happy bidding. This is going up for auction tonight.